is Brenda desserts from around the world, and today's destination is Sweden. I'll be trying a recipe for cinnamon rolls, so let's get started. To start our buns, I have my saucepan out. I'm going to put 1 cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of butter, unsalted butter. And I'm just gonna warm this up until the butter melts. You just want this to be warm. Now let's mix our dry ingredients. I have 3 cups and a 1/4 cup of AP flour. I have a 1/4 cup of sugar. I have a 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and I have 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. This is also like 7 grams. So I'm just gonna mix the dry ingredients real quick. Now you want to pour in your wet ingredients, the butter and the milk. Make sure this is warm. It's warm to the touch. So I'm just going to add just a little bit. Make sure it comes all together. And I'm just gonna dump this. Make it come all together. I'm gonna nail this for like at least 10 minutes. So after you're done kneading for like at least 10 minutes, it should come out nice and smooth. And I have my bowl back. I greased it a little bit, so I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna cover it with plastic wrap and let it double in size or proof until at least an hour. So when our dough is proofing, I'm gonna make the filling right now. This is 1/2 cup of soft butter, unsalted. This is 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can also use regular sugar. And this is 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Now you just want to blend this together. So once you're done mixing, so it should be like this, like a smooth paste. You can also add cadmium like 2 teaspoons if you wanted to. I'm not gonna add it because I'm not a fan of it, but it is tradition to put it inside the filling or even the dough. Now it's time to roll out our dough. It's been sitting for at least over an hour to double in size. Now it's time to roll this out into a big square. So once you roll it out, this is like 14 by 19. Now you just want to get your filling and spread it on top. Once you're done putting the filling all on top, now you just want to roll it. Now there's another way the sweetest make the cinnamon rolls. I have it in another video, a different way how to shape it. But this one, I'm just gonna roll it and cut it. Now it's just time to cut these. Now, maybe like 1 inch or 2. So you can see how they're coming out. Try to keep them the same size. So I got my pan out, sprayed a little bit. Now I'm just gonna arrange them inside of it. So I'm gonna proof this for maybe another 30 to an hour to them to double in size again, and I'll make sure I cover it too. So it's been 30 minutes. So my cinnamon rolls had double in size. So this is regular egg wash I have here. I'm just gonna brush the tops. And after you do that, I have pearl sugar. And I'm just gonna place them on top. This will give the cinnamon rolls a little crunch to it. Once you have finished putting the pearl sugar on top, I have my oven preheating already to 375 Fahrenheit, and this might take 12 to 14 minutes. So my cinnamon rolls just came out of the oven. Took about 15 minutes. You just want to see into light golden brown. I'll let these cool down and let's have a piece. They're still a little hot. So I'm gonna start cutting one, see how it looks like. It looks delicious. Time for a taste test. Definitely give this recipe 10 out of 10. It was so delicious. I like the pearl sugar. Give it a nice crunch on the top of the cinnamon roll. It was nice and soft. Definitely recommend making this recipe. If you do, let me know. Comment below. And like always, I see you guys at my next destination. Don't forget to like and subscribe.